If you want a career in management accounting, we need to talk. You may not know that the CMA isn't the only certification available. There is a relatively new credential you can get. It's called the CGMA. Watch this video to learn the differences between the CMA and the CGMA and figure out which one is the right for you. And watch until the end to discover how to get a copy of my free CMA exam cheat sheet that will help you pass the CMA exam the first time. And check in for new videos every Monday where I give you the inside scoop on how to become a CMA. Subscribe to the show to get alerted when a new video goes up every Monday. Hey there, I'm Nathan from CMAexamacademy.com, where I help candidates like you pass the CMA exam the first time. Let's talk about the difference between the CGMA and the CMA. A CGMA is a Chartered Global Management Accountant. A CMA is a Certified Management Accountant. These are two different certifications that open up different work opportunities for you. So let's look at the differences so you can decide which one to pursue. The CMA is a US-based certification that is recognized around the world. The CMA has been around for nearly 50 years, and it was developed by the Institute of Management Accountants, or IMA. To be a CMA, you must have a bachelor's degree, be a member of the IMA, and fulfill a 2-year consecutive work requirement. This is all in addition to passing the 2-part CMA exam. On the other hand, the CGMA is a fairly new certification established in 2012. Similar to the CMA, it is a specialization, and this specialty in accounting requires you to complete the CGMA Finance Leadership Program and pass the CGMA exam. You can earn the CGMA through either the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, or CIMA, or the American Institute of CPAs, or AICPA. There are 2 paths you can take to become a CGMA. One is through the CIMA route, where you must have 3 years of accounting work experience, be a member of the CIMA, and pass 12 CIMA exams. You can also pursue the CGMA through the AICPA route, where you must be a member and active CPA. This will mean you have to take and pass the 4-part CPA exam, then get 3 years of management accounting work experience, then pass the CGMA exam. A key aspect in your decision to pursue either certification is what career paths it opens for you. And I'll talk about your job options as a CGMA or CMA in just a minute. First, remember that the goal of either of these certifications is to increase your career success by making you highly employable doing something that you enjoy long term. So, are you currently pursuing a career in accounting? Drop a comment below and I will provide you with coaching to help you make this important decision. Both the CMA and the CGMA require candidates to pass a test. The CMA is a 2-part exam. Each part takes 4 hours, for a total of 8 hours, and you have a deadline of 36 months to pass, and the length of recommended study is 300 hours. Typically, you will pay between $700 and $1,800 for a study course. Then it costs around $800 to take the exam itself. There are 3 times a year when you can schedule a CMA exam. And currently, the pass rate for the CMA exam is 45%. Now, the CGMA is a 1-part exam. It takes 5 hours broken out into 60-minute sections, and you have a deadline of 12 months to pass, and the length of recommended study is 200 hours. There's really one official review course which costs $4,395. Then it costs $325 to take the exam itself, and there are 4 times a year when you can schedule a CGMA exam. And the pass rate for the CGMA right now is 53%. Now let's break down which careers you can pursue as a CMA versus a CGMA and how much you can actually make per year. As a CMA, you could work as a Chief Financial Officer, Corporate Controller, Accounting Manager, or VP of Finance, to name a few. As a CGMA, you could also work as a CFO, Corporate Controller, Finance Director, VP of Finance, to name a few as well, but may have skills more relevant to international companies. The CGMA will require you to pass a difficult exam. It is growing in prestige, but its popularity and professional opportunities do not yet rival the CMA by any means. There is no official salary data about the CGMA released by the CIMA or the AICPA. However, the official CGMA website states that globally, people with this certification can earn an average of $89,000 a year with a 4 to 5% annual salary increase. Now, comparing it to the CMA, CMAs earn an average of $116,000 with regular opportunities for salary growth worldwide. In addition to a higher salary, the CMA is the certification with a more tested track record, and notably in the marketplace worldwide. Both credentials will require time to study for the exams and years of work experience. So as you make this decision, I want to ask you a question. Do you see yourself working internationally? How much time and effort are you willing to give towards your new credential in terms of time and investment? These are important questions to ask as you move towards either of these credentials. And to explore the CMA path further, get an idea of what the test is like. And to do that, I would love to send you a copy of my free CMA exam cheat sheet that will help you pass the CMA exam the first time. The link to grab it is in the description box below. So I hope this helped you understand the differences between the CMA and the CGMA and realize that this is an important conversation for your future. If you're ready to start moving your career ahead, then the CMA is definitely the quickest and best option. Because in order to go the CPA route, you would have to pass 16 exams in total, plus fulfill all the work experience and educational requirements, which would take significantly more time and money. Need more information? I'm here to help. Leave a comment and I'll give you more insight and personalized coaching and recommendations to help you make the best decision for you. Now, many people who wonder about the CGMA versus the CMA also wonder about the CPA versus the CMA. So if you want to further investigate the differences between the CPA and the CMA, watch this video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.